Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna do the ghost light?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me when you're ready to go.
I'm gonna turn.
Do you remember what the first line is?
Yeah.
I can't remember. When your feet. Okay, I got it. Oh, you ready, Graham? Let's get a little of this on you.
If you
Feeling lonely, lost and let down. Seems like those dark skies following you around. And life's just one big shade of gray. It feels like you do once it starts to rain behind the.
I'm
Yeah.
not going to use the plow.
Well, I think you sound great. All right, later. Sure you don't want to do the chorus? Behind the clouds. Graham, you want to sing this one with me? Okay.